woke up with a shadow on my chest, like something I can name won't let me rest. No words, no shade, just a quiet pull, like an empty space that still feels full. I try to shake it, try to let it go, but it follows everywhere I go. It's not a memory, not a dream, it's somewhere in between.
And I don't know why it won't fade. It's like a fire I never made.
It's more than a reason, more than a rhyme, more than a moment lost in time. It's deeper than a scar I can't erase. I feel it now in every place. It's more than a reason I can explain, more than the echo of love or pain. It's something I can't outrun, like I'm chasing what I've become.
I see your face and strangers passing by, hear your voice in the dead of night, but it's not you, it's something else, like I'm searching for myself. Every road just leads me back again to a question I don't understand. What is this weight I carry through? Is it me or is it you?
And every step just feels the same, like I'm walking through a phase.
It's more than a reason, more than a rhyme, more than a moment lost in time. It's deeper than a scar I can't erase. I feel it now in every place. It's more than a reason I can explain, more than the echo of love or pain. It's something I can't outrun, like I'm chasing what I've become.
If I could name, I'd let it go. If I could face it, I finally know. But it lives in the silence I keep inside, and every truth I try to hide. Maybe it's me I'm running from. Maybe I've been undone.